between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there was a beautiful kingdom called Rainbow Valley. The kingdom was known for its lush gardens, vibrant flowers, and the happiest people in the land. At the heart of Rainbow Valley stood a grand castle made of glittering pink and gold bricks, where the kind and gracious King Theodore and Queen Isabella lived with their daughter, the little Princess Barbie. Princess Barbie was a joyful, curious little girl with flowing golden hair that sparkled like the sun and bright blue eyes that twinkled with every smile. She wore a gown made of the finest silk, adorned with tiny gems that reflected all the colors of the rainbow. Though she loved her castle and the beautiful things around her, what she loved the most was exploring the magical gardens that surrounded her home. One sunny morning, little Princess Barbie woke up with excitement bubbling in her heart. She had dreamt of a secret garden hidden within the kingdom, filled with talking animals, colorful flowers, and the most delicious fruits. It was a place that no one had ever seen, and she felt as if it was calling her. Barbie quickly dressed in her favorite pink gown, tied her hair with a shiny ribbon, and ran down to the grand dining hall. "Good morning, Mother." "Good morning, Father," she greeted with a cheerful smile. "Good morning, my dear Barbie," the Queen said, kissing her daughter on the forehead. "You seem very excited today. What adventure are you planning?" Barbie's eyes sparkled. "I dreamt of a secret garden last night, and I feel like it's real. I want to find it today." King Theodore chuckled. "That sounds like a grand adventure. But remember, it's important to be back before sunset. The enchanted forest beyond the garden can be tricky." Barbie nodded eagerly. "I will, Father. I promise." After finishing her breakfast, Barbie set off on her adventure, accompanied by her loyal pet puppy, Snowflake, a fluffy white dog with a curious nose and a heart full of courage. They started their journey through the castle gardens, passing by the rose bushes, lavender fields, and the sparkling fountains that Barbie knew so well. As they walked deeper into the gardens, they came across a tall, twisted willow tree that Barbie had never noticed before. It had leaves that shimmered like emeralds and a trunk that looked like it was carved with secret symbols. To her surprise, at the base of the tree, she found a small, hidden door made of ivy and flowers. The door was just her size. "Do you think this is the entrance to the secret garden, Snowflake?" Barbie asked, her heart pounding with excitement. Snowflake wagged his tail and barked, as if urging her to open the door. Barbie gently pushed the door open, and a burst of fragrant air filled her senses. She stepped inside and found herself in a place beyond her wildest dreams. The garden was vast and magical, with flowers that glowed in every color imaginable, trees that whispered secrets, and sparkling streams that sang gentle melodies. There were butterflies with wings like stained glass, bees that hummed happy tunes, and tiny creatures peeking out from behind every leaf. But the most wonderful sight was a grand, golden archway covered in glittering vines that led to a magnificent fountain in the center of the garden. In the middle of the fountain stood a tall statue of a fairy holding a glowing gem. "Welcome, little Princess Barbie," the soft voice echoed. Barbie looked around and saw a tiny fairy fluttering beside her. She had shimmering wings, a dress made of petals, and hair that flowed like liquid gold. My name is Flora, the guardian of the magical garden. You have a kind heart and a brave spirit, so the garden has allowed you to enter. Barbie curtsied politely. Thank you, Flora. This place is so beautiful. But why is it hidden? Flora smiled. This garden is special, Barbie. It's filled with magic that keeps our kingdom safe and brings joy to those who find it. However, only those with pure hearts can see it. Today, you have been chosen because the garden needs your help. Barbie's eyes widened. Help? What can I do? Flora pointed to the glowing gem in the fountain. That is the heart of the garden. It keeps all the magic alive, but lately, its light has been dimming. There's a shadow that has been trying to steal its power, and if it succeeds, the garden will lose its magic, and so will Rainbow Valley. Barbie gasped. Oh no! How can I stop it? You must find 3 enchanted items hidden in the garden, Flora explained. A golden feather from the Phoenix of Light. Barbie thanked the Phoenix and safely climbed down, holding the feather close. It sparkled in her hand, glowing with a warmth that made her feel brave. Next, Barbie and Snowflake made their way to the River of Dreams, a serene and shimmering river that flowed with waters of soft blue and purple. The river was said to be home to magical fish that could grant wishes and pearls that held the dreams of the kingdom. However, the river was guarded by a protective water sprite named Aquila. Aquila appeared, swirling gracefully in the water with her sparkling, transparent wings. Who dares to approach the River of Dreams? She asked, though her voice was gentle. I am little Princess Barbie, and I need a pearl from your river to save the heart of the garden, Barbie explained politely. Aquila's expression softened. I have seen your kindness, Princess. To earn a pearl, you must answer a riddle that tests your heart. Are you ready? Barbie nodded. I am ready. Aquila asked, what is the most precious thing in the world that grows when shared but disappears when kept to oneself? Barbie thought for a moment, then smiled. Love is the most precious gift, and it grows when you share it with others. Aquila smiled brightly. You have a wise heart, little princess. You may have your pearl. With a graceful motion, Aquila presented Barbie with a glimmering pearl, its surface reflecting all the colors of a dream. Barbie thanked her and continued on her journey. Finally, Barbie and Snowflake headed to the Twilight Grove, a mysterious part of the garden where the trees glowed softly in the twilight and the flowers sparkled like stars. The grove was quiet, almost as if it were waiting for something. In the center of the grove grew the rarest flower in the world, a crystal flower that bloomed only in the presence of true courage. Barbie approached the flower, but as she reached out, a dark shadow emerged from behind the trees. It was the source of the darkness threatening the garden, a mischievous spirit named Noctis, who had been trying to steal the heart's magic for himself. So, you think you can save the garden, little princess? Noctis sneered, his form swirling like smoke. This magic belongs to me now. Barbie stood tall, even though her heart pounded. The magic of this garden isn't meant to be stolen. It's meant to bring joy and protect the kingdom. I won't let you take it. Noctis laughed. Then face your fears, and let's see if you truly have the courage to stop me. With that, the shadowy spirit cast a spell, creating illusions of Barbie's deepest fears, darkness, thunder, and swirling winds. But Barbie closed her eyes, remembering the warmth of the phoenix's feather, the wisdom of Aquila's pearl, and the beauty of the crystal flower before her. She remembered why she was there and all the people she loved. Barbie opened her eyes, filled with determination. I am not afraid, Noctis. My heart is stronger than any shadow you cast. With those words, the crystal flower began to glow brightly, dispelling the illusions and pushing Noctis back. The spirit, weakened by Barbie's courage, faded away into nothingness. Barbie picked the crystal flower, feeling its magic flow through her. She now had all 3 enchanted items. Racing back to the fountain, Barbie placed the golden feather, the dream pearl, and the crystal flower around the heart of the garden. A brilliant light erupted, filling the entire garden with a warm, magical glow. The fountain sparkled, and the statue of the fairy began to shine once more. The heart of the garden was restored, its light even brighter than before. Flora appeared, her wings sparkling more vibrantly than ever. You have saved the garden, little Princess Barbie. The magic will continue to protect Rainbow Valley because of your courage, kindness, and heart. Barbie smiled, feeling proud and happy. Thank you, Flora. This garden is truly magical, and I'm so glad I could help. With a gentle wave, Flora led Barbie and Snowflake back to the willow tree door. As Barbie stepped through, the door closed behind her, blending perfectly back into the garden as if it had never been there. When Barbie returned to the castle, she was greeted with cheers from her parents and the people of Rainbow Valley. She shared the tale of her adventure, the magical creatures she met, and how the power of love and courage had saved the day. From that day on, little Princess Barbie knew that magic wasn't just in secret gardens or glowing gems, it was in every kind act, every brave moment, and every loving heart. And though she never found the hidden door again, she carried the magic of the garden within her, lighting up Rainbow Valley with her smile and her kind spirit. And so, little Princess Barbie and Snowflake continued to explore, learn, and spread joy wherever they went, knowing that true magic always finds those who believe. The end.